So on the bench today, we have a very, very special box that got delivered. We've been waiting for this box. It's a very large box, that is. And we've been waiting for this box to come in and to see what it looks like. What it looks like, you might ask, what is it? This is a 5th scale, gas-powered Baja truck. And we're just excited to see what this thing looks like. I haven't even seen one of these in person, so I am very excited to get this thing out and see what it looks like. You guys are going to see it first. I'm going to see it first. I just want to open it. There's no time, any more time to waste, because you only live once and you got to do it. You got to do it. For all my buddies in the RC world, you guys are going to love this thing. And all my buddies that like 5th scale vehicles, this is 5th scale. This is large. This is power. This is excitement. Oh, wow. Woo! Man. This box is just big. Haha! It's just big. So this box came in weighing in the heavyweight division at 56 pounds. I mean, I think I gotta cut the box. I don't even think I could. Wow. I don't even think I could get this thing out of here. I don't know. Oh, wow. This is big. This is really big. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. I can't even lift it out of here. Guys, I think I gotta rip the box open. Yeah, that's the only way I can do it. It's just too big and awkward to get out of here. Bow, bow. Look at this big box. Get this thing out of here. Wow. Ugh, my bench is falling apart. Oh, cow. Jesus. This thing is massive. Oh. Ho-ho! Guys, get a load of the box, the size of this box. This is just insane. This is 36 cc's of just raw power. Sealed for your protection. Let's get that off of there. Wow. Oh man, I'm just super stoked to see this thing. I can tell you that. Woo-hoo, man. Oh guys, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. Check out this truck. Woo! Talk about a monster. Look at this thing. Wow. Holy cow. I gotta catch my breath. This thing is insane. Da-na-na-na-na. Look at that beast. Holy cow. Wow. Massive. Wow. I got to get a hold of myself here. This is insane. Woo! All right, let me calm down just a little bit and get all this off of here, clear this out. Wow, this truck is just, it's a monster. Look at this thing. 2-wheel drive. Whew, this thing's big. This thing is big. 2-wheel drive, 36 cc. Wow, what a monster. All right, we got a bumper in here. Right there. Terminator bumper. It's like a 5T bumper. Wow. We get a bag of tricks, bunch of stuff. I'll pull all that out in a minute. Let's get this out on the table here. We got a gas bottle here. Rovan RC, baby. That's where we got this from. Rovan RC. Thank you, guys. This truck looks great. Got some decals. Wow. Let's get this cardboard out of the way here. I mean, this thing's a monster. I mean, it's got weight to it. Holy cow. I am glad I caught this on my fishing pole to bring it into the bench, boy, to show you guys, because this thing is just insane. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Woo. Get a hold of that truck. This thing is massive, guys. Just to give you a little perspective, I mean, look at the size. Wow. Oh, wow, this thing's heavy. Woo! Heavy. I just wanted to give you guys a shot of this truck with the body off. It comes off real easy, just all pinned on. You guys can get a load of everything. Oh man, look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. Ooh, baby, she is shiny and clean and new. Oh, it's just so pretty. That's just raw power right there, guys. Raw power. Look at the size of those axles there. I'm trying to give you, geez, something I can show you. I mean, you can see the size of my finger compared to that axle just to see how big it is. Nice shiny pipe. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, just wanted to give you guys a little shot of that. Oh. Just get a load of that beautifulness right there. Wow, guys. All right, so some features on this rig. This is a two-wheel drive, 36cc, 4-bowl engine on this truck. I mean, this thing looks insane. It looks great. It's got a 22 kg steering servo on this bad boy. We got LED lights up in the front here. Those are LEDs. Some other great features on this thing. We got an alloy gear differential. This thing's got an 8,000 RPM heavy duty clutch job in it. All right. We got some nice knobby Rovan RC MT off-road tires. It comes with a let's break open this box here. I believe the controllers in here. This comes with a Fly Sky GT 3B 3-channel transmitter. Oh, I love pulling stuff out of brand new boxes like that. It just sounds so crisp. Oh, just get so excited over this stuff, guys. We got a bind plug in there. Pull this thing out. Okay. Fly Sky. Right there, GT3B. Oh, wow, this thing's looking great. There's a good shot of the controller. All right. Wow, looks so nice, guys. Really, really nice. Real nice. Channel trim here. You got steering trim and throttle trim up on the top. Got some styrofoam on there. Clean that off. Got your pad here. Wow. I mean, if you guys aren't impressed, I don't know what to say. But this thing is just a complete monster. Wow. All right, so some other features on this truck. We got a chrome steel exhaust pipe on this truck, guys. You guys got to get a load of this thing. Oh, you got to just, I mean, look at that. Look how shiny that baby is. Brandy new. Woo-hoo. All right. We got heavy duty shock mount plates on this truck. 9mm. I mean, guys, these drive shafts in this truck, they're big, okay? 9mm heavy duty drive shafts. Wow, this thing, it's crazy. Whoo. Wow. Upgraded CNC, all aluminum shocks on this truck. I mean, it looks great. It looks great. And all full ball bearings in this thing. All right, so let's talk about, we'll start in the front. I showed you guys the bumper. Okay. There's the bumper. We're going to have to get that mounted on there. This doesn't have lights in here, but you can get them. Let's pull off the pins on here. Man, this thing is just insane. Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to get that 5th scale track done so we could rip this thing around the track and have some RC fun, guys. I mean, it's going to be epic. The track is going to be epic. This truck is going to be epic. Woo! We got to break this motor in. So we got to do a full motor break-in before we even get ripping with this thing. You know, just like any motor, you know, that's built or anything, you want to break it in properly. That's always the case. Some nice body panels, some nice graphics on that. Woo. All right, let's start with the front of that guy. Wow, this thing's just insane. All right, so we got your sway bars here. All aluminum shocks. I mean, look at show you guys some suspension on this thing. I mean, it's even got shaft protectors, shaft protectors here. Right there. Just real nice. All heavy duty. This down here, all steel. All right, heavy duty. This thing is made for thrashing, bashing, and crashing, guys. That's what we do here, Jag RC and Outdoor Adventures, man. We like to have fun with these things. We don't baby them. We put them to its test. So we're gonna have to break this motor in, 36cc. We're gonna be breaking this motor in, and just a nice, well-built truck. Rovan RC products. This is a 5th scale. Wow, I can't believe it. It just looks great. Looks superb. It's built rugged. The tires, they're a pretty firm tire. I think they're gonna do very well. I mean, look at the ball joints on this thing. I mean, heavy duty ball joints, everything. just, you know, extra heavy duty on this thing. Really, really nice truck. Really. The shock plates, the pipe, everything looks great. We got a nice rear bumper with some silly little mud flaps there. You can see that. We got a wing on this bad boy. Looks great. The wheels on this thing, I'm liking the wheels a lot. I like the looks of this truck. So we're gonna have to go and get this bumper mounted. Comes with a mixing can, as I pointed out before. Wow, this thing's just massive. All right, guys, so 5th scale, guys. If you don't know what 5th scale, the size, all right, let me, we'll do a little size comparison real quick, all right? So this is a 1/10 scale Traxxas Rustler, all right? Now you guys can see the difference and how big this truck actually is. It's massive. I mean, it's got a lot of power. It's gonna do real well. There. There's a can. Look at the can compared to the tire. Just to give you a size comparison on that. It's big. Very big. All right, so we'll just get into the bag here, the bag of tricks that comes with it. You got air filter oil, you got differential oil, and shock oil. Comes in a bag. We got some gaskets here, filter. We do have to break this motor in, guys, so we're going to be doing that. We're going to be breaking it in. Got some boots. And then just a package of tools. Got a screw wrench in there. I believe this is the charger. Comes with a battery in there. Wow. All right, guys. And your book. Here you go. Full blown out diagram there. And it's a Baja Terminator. Woo! Man, this thing looks good. Oh, your manual here. You're charging your receiver battery. Just your tools. Goes through parts breakdown, transmitter prep, transmitter operation, setup before starting, engine starting, fuel, your radio, engine start, engine stop. Shows you everything, and then just your parts breakdown, guys. Wow. Our buddy Mike recommended this kill switch, a dynamite kill switch. And stay tuned to the channel, guys, because we're going to have something epic on this channel soon. I don't know exact date yet, but we got an epic thing coming, okay? Our buddy Mike has a very, very special vehicle that we are going to be, it's going to be on the channel, guys, and you're going to want to see it. I can just tell you that. So, all right. Guys, this thing is great. It looks great. We are going to get this bumper mounted. Going to get this thing all set. We're going to get it broken in. So stay tuned and see this thing out in action. Please like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Jag RC Outdoor Adventures. We'll see you around.